Okay, so for these two problems, I'm actually going to use a website that has a calculator called Desmos. So if you just go to like whatever browser you use, we're going to go to desmos.com. That's DESMOS.com. And then if you hit this graphing calculator, it will like just bring up a graph, and also the calculators over here to the left. You can enter whatever you need to at the bottom. So for this first problem, it says evaluate x plus 3, x minus 2 all over x minus 5, and then times x plus 5, x minus 5 all over x plus 3, x plus 1 for x equals 11. So what that means is if I essentially plug 11 in for all of my x's, so you're going to plug 11 in there, and there, and there, 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 there. You plug 11 in for all of those. Then I want to know what my answer is. So I'm going to do that. 11 plus 3, 11 minus 2. On the bottom, 11. Whoops. Sorry, it keeps clicking on the picture. 11 minus 5 times, and we have 11 plus 5, 11 minus 5, all over 11 plus 3, and 11 plus 1. So that's what I would do just to keep it kind of simple. Now, technically, the ones that are the same on the top and bottom, so like, change a color here. 11 minus 5 here and 11 minus 5 here. I'm going to cancel those out. I don't want to do extra work. And then same here, 11 plus 3 and 11 plus 3. Since they're being multiplied, we can just cancel those out. So then I'm going to simplify the rest of it. So right here, 11 minus 2 is 9. I don't have anything left on the bottom, so I'm just going to say over 1. And then let's do this, times 11 plus 5 is 16. And then on the bottom, 11 plus 1 is 12. So what you want to do in the calculator, we want to do 9 times 16 on the top and 1 times 12 on the bottom. So 9 times 16 on the top, 9 times 16. It tells us 144. And then on the bottom, 1 times 12 is just 12. Then you do 144 divided by 12. So if you know that in your head, 144 divided by 12 is just 12. To enter it in your calculator, we just do 144 divided by, like this, the division key is just, like there's plus, minus, times, and divide. So divided by 12, and then hit enter, and you get 12. So your answer for that one is going to be 12. Okay? All right, the next problem, evaluate 7x squared plus 3 times x minus 5 plus 2x for x equals 4. So I'm going to take 4 and again plug it in for all of these x's. So 7 times 4 squared. Now, when I put a number in for an x and it has an exponent, I always will put it in parentheses like that, okay? So then plus 3 times parentheses 4 minus 5 plus 2 times 4. Now, if you're very careful, you can enter it into the Desmos calculator just like that, okay? So 7 parentheses 4 squared. So we're going to do 7, and then your parentheses are down here to the left. So parentheses, put a 4, end your parentheses. And then there's this squared button, like over here close to the parentheses, it's a squared, and that gives you an exponent. And then plus 3 parentheses 4 minus 5. So plus 3 parentheses 4 minus 5, end your parentheses. And then plus 2 parentheses 4. Plus 2 parentheses 4. And it just tells you the answer, 117. And there you go.